Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Klook app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will search about the application of Klook and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.